Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will make tuna burger. This is a very straightforward and very basic recipe, so walang arte masyado. Ingredients are eggs, lemon, onion, canned tuna. For me, I used light meat tuna in sunflower oil, and breadcrumbs. I also used salt, pepper, and Worcestershire to taste. The first thing we need to do is to drain our tuna. Kailangan drained mabuti para hindi wet yung magiging patty natin. I have used 2 cans of tunas for this recipe. Then now we have to squeeze on some fresh lemon. Lemon is important in this recipe kasi it lessens that fishy taste. Lalo na sa mga momshies dyan na ang mga junakis hindi kumakain ng fish. This is the best way to trick them. And then we need to add the chopped onions. I also have another recipe on how to make a tuna spread. Link will be down below. I hope you can try it as well. And then add ground black pepper. Madami talaga ako maglagay ng black pepper kasi very little amount of salt lang ang ilalagay ko dito. So, sa black pepper na lang dadaanin. Mix together para evenly distributed yung pepper and yung onion. And then now, we will add the breadcrumbs. Ay, wait lang. I remember meron pala akong sliced bread na malapit na mag-expire. So, yun na lang ang ginamit ko. Actually, mas maganda kung yun ang gagamitin instead of the ready-made breadcrumbs. Mas nakakatulong kasi siya na maging intact yung patty. Since I am not using any flour in this recipe, yung bread ang parang magiging flour. O diba, very economical. Hindi nasira or nasayang yung bread. At the same time, nakaless ka sa flour. Continue mixing and then now we will add the eggs. Actually, advisable huwag directly i-crack yung eggs sa ginagawa mong food. Pero, oops, ayan na nga bang sinasabi ko. Yan yung reason kung bakit dapat hindi directly dun sa food kinakrack yung egg. Another reason kung bakit hindi dapat directly dun kinakrack yung egg is that kapag ka merong sira na egg, tapos nakrack mo na directly dun sa food, wala na, spoil na lahat. But in baking, strict talaga ako, hindi directly dun sa food kinakrack yung egg. Talagang kailangan sa separate container muna and then ita-transfer. So, once na nandyan na lahat yung ingredients, i-mix ng uli lahat. This time, gagamitin ko na siya ng kamay para mas ma-mix ng mabuti yung mga ingredients. This is also the best time para pisatin natin mabuti yung sliced bread na hinalo natin kanina. Haluin lang natin mabuti para evenly distributed yung mga ingredients. I added the Worcestershire and a little bit of salt, pero I forgot to press the record button. Continue mixing and then we will keep it in the fridge para lang mag-set. 10 to 30 minutes, pwede na yan. Naiset na yan. Pwede na natin iluto. After 10 minutes, pwede nang i-mold yung ginawa natin na mix. I am using this molder in making my patty para maganda. Arte-arte ka lang naman yan, but you can actually use manually yung by hand lang. But since meron ako nyan, so yan ang gagamitin ko. Para lang standard yung size and standard din yung thickness na magagawa natin. It's very easy to use. Bale, scoop your meat mixture and then ilagay mo lang dyan. And then prepare a wax paper. And then ipe-press lang natin siya doon. I used a wax paper, parang siya yung magsiseparate sa mga patties kapag ka pinagpatong-patong ko na. Tada! O, diba? Ang cute. Ayan na. Ready na yung ating tuna patty. The patty is around 1.5 centimeters thick. Now, heat the pan and put extra virgin olive oil. Little amount lang ha, kasi yung tuna itself meron na siyang oil, diba? Then carefully put your patty. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes para maging crispy yung outside part ng patty. Please comment down below kung anong favorite burger ninyo. Ayan, so after 5 minutes, i-flip na natin yung burger. Ang pretty, diba? Ayan, kita nyo guys, yung mark nung molder. Ang pretty, diba? And from the look itself, alam nyo na crispy yung outside part ng burger. I mean, ng patty. With 3 eggs and 2 canned tunas, I was able to make 8 patties. There! Ready na ang ating tuna patty. Now, it's time to make the burger. Again, I am using a wax paper to wrap my burger. So, wax paper muna and then aluminum foil. I added a cucumber sa burger ko kasi masarap. Prepare your burger bun, slice it, and assemble the burger. Well, actually, you can add anything you want. You can add tomatoes, you can add lettuce, but for now, yan lang yung available sa akin. So, yan ang gagamitin ko. So there, I'm using a Kewpie mayonnaise kasi mas lighter siya and mas less yung asim niya compared sa other normal mayonnaise. Here's a tip. Kapag magbi-build ka ng sandwich or burger, make sure na merong sauce na magtitiket sa mga components na ilalagay mo. Nabasa ko yun dati, so I'm sharing it with you guys. So, make sure na na-spread ng mabuti yung mayonnaise sa buong surface. And then, lagyan na natin ng cucumber. Yung cucumber, pwede nyo siyang gawing ribbon cut. Kaya lang, I want some texture sa burger ko. So, slice lang ang ginawa ko. Actually, mas okay nga sana kung may lettuce to eh. For some, pwede rin lagyan ng tomato. Kaya lang ako, ayoko ng tomato sa burger ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Feeling ko kasi parang masyadong nagiging wet yung burger or messy. And now, we will add the cheese. Actually, mali yung ginawa ko. Hindi ako naglagay ng mayonnaise. So, binalikan ko yan kanina. Nilagyan ko siya ng konting mayonnaise. And then cheese. And now, the patty. And then, a little bit of mayonnaise. Para lang magdikit-dikit yung component. There, you now have the burger. Meron pang isang version yan. Kung gusto mo ng ketchup, ketchup naman ang ilalagay natin. So, the same as kanina, Kewpie. And then, on the other side, instead na mayonnaise pa rin, ketchup naman ang ilalagay natin. I always prefer tomato ketchup instead of banana ketchup. Ang tamis kasi ng banana ketchup eh. So, tomato ketchup talaga ako. Oh, ayan. This time, yan ang kailangan gawin. Mayo, cucumber, mayo, patty. Para dikit-dikit. So there you go. We now have a very delicious and healthy tuna burger. O, diba? Madali lang. Ayan, ready na. May baon na ako. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and share this recipe to your loved ones. Always remember guys, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!